Hey Sarah, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. What's new?
Not much, just keeping busy.
Same here. Just the usual stuff.
By the way, do you want to grab lunch later?
That sounds good. I'm up for it.
Cool, let's meet at noon then.
Perfect. I'll see you there.
What have you been up to lately?
Just working and trying to stay healthy.
That's important. How's work treating you?
It's hectic but manageable. You know how it is.
Totally. Sometimes it feels overwhelming.
I hear you. Have you had a chance to relax?
A little. I went for a walk yesterday.
That's nice. Fresh air does wonders.
Exactly. What about your weekend plans?
I'm thinking about catching up on some reading.
Sounds relaxing. Need any book recommendations?
Sure. What are you reading now?
A mystery novel. It's really good.
I love mysteries. I'll check it out.
Great. So, how's your family?
They're good, thanks for asking.
Good to hear. Give them my regards.
Will do. How's your brother doing?
He's doing fine, just started a new job.
That's awesome. Wish him good luck from me.
Definitely. Hey, have you seen that new movie?
Not yet. Is it worth watching?
Absolutely. The reviews are excellent.
I'll add it to my list. Thanks.
No problem. By the way, do you need any help?
Actually, yes. Can you help me with my resume?
Of course. I'll take a look this weekend.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Anytime. Just let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Oh, did you hear about the event downtown?
Yes. Are you planning to go?
I think so. It sounds fun.
Let's go together then.
That would be great.
Awesome. I'll check the details.
Cool, keep me posted.
Sure thing. By the way, do you have any plans tonight?
Not really. Why?
Thought we could watch a movie at my place.
Sounds perfect. I'm in.
Great. I'll prepare some snacks.
You're the best.
So, what's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
Popcorn it is.
Hey, have you tried that new coffee shop?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. You have to try their latte.
I will. Maybe tomorrow?
Sure, let's do it.
Perfect. What time works for you?
How about 10 a.m.?
Sounds good. I'll meet you there.
Looking forward to it.
By the way, thanks for helping me last week.
No problem. Happy to help.
You really saved me.
Glad I could.
Oh, did you see the news today?
No, what happened?
There was a big storm expected tomorrow.
Oh no. I hope it won't be too bad.
Me too. Better prepare just in case.
Good idea. I'll stock up on essentials.
Smart move. Need a hand?
Maybe later. Thanks.
No rush. So, have you been exercising?
Trying to. I walk every day.
That's great. I should start too.
You can join me.
I might take you up on that.
Awesome. We can motivate each other.
Exactly. Speaking of motivation, have you heard that podcast?
Which one?
Speak English confidently. It's really helpful.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip.
Anytime.
By the way, do you need anything from the store?
Yes, some milk and bread.
Got it. I'll pick them up tomorrow.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Hey, what do you think about learning a new language?
I'd love to. Maybe Spanish?
That's a good choice.
We should practice together.
Definitely. Let's start next week.
Can't wait.
Same here. Oh, have you met the new neighbor?
Yes, she seems really nice.
I agree. We should invite her over sometime.
Good idea. Maybe for coffee?
Perfect plan.
By the way, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
There's a festival downtown.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Yes.
Great, I'll buy the tickets.
Thanks.
No problem. Hey, did you finish the report?
Almost. Need a bit more time.
That's okay. Let me know if you want help.
Will do. Thanks.
By the way, did you hear from John?
Not recently. Why?
He asked about you.
That's sweet. I should reach out.
Definitely.
I will. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you RSVP to the party?
Not yet. I will today.
Good. Let me know.
Sure thing.
Hey, are you okay? You look tired.
I'm a bit stressed. Lots going on.
Want to talk about it?
Maybe later. Thanks for asking.
Anytime. Remember, I'm here.
That means a lot.
So, what's your favorite way to relax?
Listening to music.
Me too. What kind?
Mostly pop and jazz.
Nice mix.
How about you?
I'm into classical lately.
That's cool.
Yeah. We should share playlists.
Great idea.